Hello, hello. This is my first time to try to learn Elixir, and I would like to share with you uh, this. Okay, because processes are linked, we now see a message that say the parent process, which is the shell process, has received the exit signal from the another process causes the shell to terminate. IEX detects the situation and starts a new session section. And it's about that. Self return the current PID process when I rise. Okay, I rise exception. The shell terminal receive a signal to terminate, but IEX now has self a new PID. Okay, okay, right. I got. Linking can also be done manually by calling process.link. We recommend that you take a look at the process model for another functions provided by process. Process and links play an important role when building fault-tolerant system. Elixir's processes are isolated and don't share anything by default. Therefore, a failure in a process will never crash or corrupt the states of another process. Links, however, allow the process to establish a relationship in case of the failure. We often link our process to su- supervisors, which will detect when the process dies and starts a new process in its places. While other language, we would require us to catch and handle exceptions. In Elixir, we are actually fine with later in process file because we expect the supervisions to properly start our system fairly fast. Sometimes refresh is let it crash. It's common philosophy when write Elixir software. Spawn and spawn link are the base primitive for creation process in Elixir. Let me see. Elixir. Okay, Elixir. Spawn. Tasks. Tasks text builds on top of the spawn functions to provide bare error reports and introspections. Let me see. Here are tasks starts. Call rise. Task starts. Take a function that return a raise a section. Wow. And again, the PID starts from the PID on terminating. Whoa. Self. We have a new PID. Instead of spawn and spawn link, we are using task.start, and task start link we return OK and PID, rather than just the PID. This is what enables tasks to be used in supervision tree. Furthermore, tasks provide convenient functions like task.async and tasks.async, and the functionality to easy distribution. We will explore those functionalities in the Mix and OTP guide. For now, it's enough to remember to use tasks to get better errors reports. Okay. I should to use tasks to get better error reports. That's the point. Okay, state. We have to talk about state so far in this guide. If you are building an application that requires states, for example, to keep your application configuration, or you need to parse a file and keep it in memory, where you would store it. Processes are the most common answer for the questions. We can write a process that loop infinitely, maintain states, and send and receive messages. An example, let's write a model that starts a new process that works as a key value stored in a file named kv.xs. Okay, let me see. kv.exs default model kv def start link do. Okay, I'm back. Let me see. Color. Maps. Let me see. Keyword lists. Lists. Keyword lists. String. Splits. List is very simple. This is a list. Simple list and another word. Do block in keywords. If true, do this will be seen, else this won't. Do block. Do blocks. Keyword. If true, do this will. It happens that do blocks are nothing more than a syntax convenient on top of keywords. We can write the above, right? The above two. If true, comma do, this will be seen, else this won't. Pay close attention to the both syntax in the keyword list format. We'll separate each key value pair with commas, and each key is followed by dot in the block. Okay. Notice that only a handful of keyword lists can be converted to blocks: do, else, cat, rescue, and after. Maps as keywords, value pair. Maps as key value word. Whenever you need to store a keyword values pair, maps are the go-to data structures in Elixir. A map is created using their break calibrations. I don't know what the name of this symbol. Let's see. I don't know. Percent sign. Percent sign. Okay, percent sign in curly braces. Curly braces. Okay, percent sign in curly braces, syntax. Percent sign in curly braces. Okay, pay value. This is atom. I'm not in my mind. I'm not clear what the typing atom is. And let me see. Atom. Percent sign calibrations. Atom. what Aaron is. What Aaron is. Aaron and an arrow is basically a data type in Elixir and other languages like Erlang. Atoms are constants with a name that represents the self. They often used as key in maps, labels in code, and to represent static values. Okay. Okay. This is Aaron. This is Aaron. Yes, this is Aaron. And Aaron is like a constant in in other language like C and C++. And this is what I got. I understood. And but it's so strange. But it often it's used like k under k pair value like this. This will have a k column named a. This the value is 1. But um, this is a k. This is a value. Mm, map. Percentage. Percentage called braces. A value. Store the 10 value, k value. But the second you want is so strange. 20 is the key. They store the value and C. Right. Close collaborations. Maps. Okay. Should I get map A? Okay. It return the value because I get the K. I get K here and return the value. Okay. Okay. but I get map 20, 20, give me the value C. C. C, comma, hello. Does not make sense for me. This don't make sense for me. What hello is? Okay. This is percentage sign, curly braces, map. Okay, this is a map. I understood what a map is. Okay. In contrast to keyword lists, maps are very useful with pairing math, pattern math. Pattern match.
Pattern matching.
Pattern. Pattern matching. Pattern matching. Let me see. Parametric. Okay, parametric is very simple. Parametric lets me. Yeah, I remember parameters. And A equal 1. Okay, if I test 1 equal A, return 1. Okay, 3. Okay. No match on the right hand set values. Okay, no match. No match. This one match because 1 in the left hand is 1 in the side hand. If I invert A, 1, okay, return 1. 2, done, okay. And A equal A, return 1. Hello. 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 No match. Let me see. No match. Okay. Parametric. When a map is used in a pattern. Pattern. Okay, pattern. It always match. It will always match on the subset of the given value. When the map is used in a pair, it always matches on the subset of the given value. Okay. This is empty map. Parametric this one. Okay. A, AK, value A, parameter, A, percentage curly braces, match. Okay. Percentage sign. Okay. It's match. I need to understand what this work because I'm so confused. And let me see in the first example here, a map matches as long as the key in the pattern exists in the given map. Therefore, empty map matches all map. Okay, I got. If I have an empty map, it matches matches all maps. Okay. The second one, it try to maps, comma, column. Column sign. Column A. Column A matches column A. The map model provides a very similar API to keyword model with the convenience function to add, remove, and update maps keywords. Map.get, and we have a map that it's taken a map with the value A, comma A and two keys, and return the first key. Okay, understood. Get map.get. It's taking a percentage, a map A that holds the 20 and 20 that holds A. I want to give you, okay, 20, 10, okay. It take a map as arguments and return the value of the given key. That's okay. I got put the same. Put is add. Map put. I have A1 B2. Okay. Now I will add another one, C a case seed on value 3. Use text. Okay, right. It adds a new key value to the map. Right. Okay. List. It's interesting. And it's return a list. Map to list converts the current in a list of. To list A, hold 1, B, hold 2. Maps of fixed keys. In the previous section, we have used the maps as a key value data structures where keys can be added or removed at any time. However, it is also common to create maps with a predefined set of keys. The values may be updated, but the needed keys are never added nor removed. This is useful when you know the shape of the data we are working and if we get a different keys. It likely means a mistake was done elsewhere. We define such maps using the same syntax as the previous sections, except that all keys must be atoms. You again, Aaron's again. Map. This is Aaron. This is Aaron. Name John, age 23. Right, simple. Let me see. Map equal percentage sign, curly braces, open curly braces, naming holds John, John Doe. John Doe. Age, so oldest. $100. Okay. Maps of 6K value. If I return map to list, as can you see from the printed result above, Elixir also allow you to write maps of atoms K using the same key value syntax as keyword list. Interesting, because I here I pass atom, it's return age. When the keys are arrows, we can also access then use the map.key syntax. Oh, that's good. Dot name, okay, Joe, map Joe, age, nice, very nice. Just remember JSON. This syntax has one of the large benefits in it raises if the k dot exists in the map. Sometimes the Elixir compiler may even warn too. This makes it useful to get quick feedback and spot bugs in types early on. This is also the syntax used to power another Elixir filter called structures. Nested data structure. Nested data structures. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let me see if I can understand this. And the start link do task dot start link. I need to review. I need to review all this stuff. Process, and spawn, send and receive, links, task, and states. All above these stuffs, it's about process. Okay, right. And in Elixir, all code run inside the process. Processes are isolated from each other, run concurrent to one another, and communicate via message parsing. Processes are not only the basic for concurrency in Elixir, but they also provide the means for building distributed and fault-tolerant programs. Elixir's processes should be not confunded with operating system processes. Processes in Elixir are extremely light. Let me show. Let me. Lightweight in terms of memory and CPU, if you compare it to threads as used in many other languages or the programming languages. Because of this, it's not uncommon to have tens of even hundreds of thousands of processes run simultaneously. In this chapter, we learn about the basic construct of spawn, new process, and well, as send and receive message between processes. This is the point. Spawn. Spawning. Spawning new process. In this chapter, we will learn about the basic constructions for spawning new process and well, send and receive message between. Okay. The basic mechanism for spawning new process is the auto-important spawn function. Okay. And okay, this is the important because cause and This creates a new and spawn, create a new process. Function that's done 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. It returns a new PID, process ID, self. My current PID, I have a node process here. Two process. Okay, two process. It's okay. I check is process alive. PID equal spawn false. It's very likely that the spawned process will execute the given function is after the function is done. Okay, I understood. This is my self PID process self. Okay, it's run. We save send, save hello. Links. The majority of the time we spawn process in Elixir, we spawn them as linked in process. Before we show in an example with spawn underscore links, let's see what's happening when a process starts. It starts with spawn files and raise. Is mirror logged on error by the process. The parent process is still running. That's because processes are isolated. If you want to filers in one process to propagate to another one, we should link them. This can be done with a spawn underscore link. Self, my current process. Spawn link. Rise. Okay. Because the processes are linked, and we now see a message say the parent process with the process, the shell process has received its signal from another process, causing a shell to terminate. IEX detects this situation and starts a new shell session. session. Let me see, tasks. Tasks are built on task build on top of the spawn functions to provide better error reports. Let me see, tasks is built on the top of the spawn function to provide better error reports. Just this. Okay. So this here, how to see? This is a comment. This is a comment. Tasks starts line, creates a new spawn. Okay, here start a new thread, new spawn. Create a new function that will return a loop that takes empty maps. Just this. Okay, start link. Start a new thread, a new spawn that executes a function. The return loops execute a loop that takes an empty map. Okay. Okay. Def macro, def p, call express, defines a private functions with the given name in body. Okay, define a private. I think it is. Loops. Map. Do receive. People equal a list and uma list of maps, percentage, signal, and name else age 30. Comma, another one, percentage sum, name Bob. Bob has 20. Bob has 20. Okay. This is enough. Okay. Okay. I have a list of people, of a list of map of people, and this is like a JavaScript array of object. Think of simple. I need to think simple. Okay. Now, from our name, menu dot map, map people. Right? Define a function people. No people, person. They return new map where name is name equal person. This is interpolation name. And okay. Handle request. in order the start link function starts the new process and run the loop function. starts with an empty map. The loop provides the loop private function that waiting for messages and performs the appropriate action for each message. We made loop private by using def-p instead of def. In this case of get messages, it send the message back to the caller and caller loop again to wait for new messages. While the put message actually invokes loops with a new version of the map with the given key and value storage. Let's give it a try run. Here I know to type, to write, to memorizing all the commands that I learn. I'm studying learn. That's okay. Just okay. PID QV start link. What is this? What is this? This is a map. This is a destruction. What is this? Destructor. Exactly. Destructor. PID. Oh, this is a I have two processes here. This is this process. Sends a new message. I will send PID, get reload self. Let me see. I will send a new message to this PID, this process here. I send this message. This message is I'm confused because this is a map, but I think map should start with a percentage sign. Okay. At first, the process map has no keys. So send a get message and then flush the current process inbox return new. Let's send a put message and try again. Send PID put message hello world. Notice how the process is keeping a state and we can get update this state by sending the process message. In fact, any process that knows the PID above will be able to send it a message and manipulate the state. Name option could have a name option could also be given to agents to .start link, and they would be automatically registered. Besides agents, Elixir provides an API for building generic servers called Gen Server, tasks and more, all powered by process underneath. Tools along with their supervision tree will be explored with more detail in the mix and OTP guides that will build a complex Elixir application from start to finish. That's good. Okay. Next. IOD in the file system. Okay. IOD and the file system. IOD the file system. Okay. Right now I will end this live because I'm trying to Elixir for the first time. I'm so excited to learn Elixir. Man, I'm not sure if I will learn Elixir, but I will try. I will do my best, and I will try to continue learn from this Elixir documentation. For now, I will stop, of course, and I will review all the stuff that I try to do in the first time. This is just a simple resistance to I want to start to see my progress when I try to learn a new language. I'm so excited to learn Elixir. Okay, that's all.